Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to fix the friend request button not showing up, not being able to send friend requests to people on Facebook. So, actually this is a quite common problem with most people and it stems from several different reasons usually, but we'll go over several of them now and try to help you with them. Okay, so first of all, you might be trying to add somebody that's pretty famous on Facebook and you want to have them in your friends list, but that's not going to be possible. Why? Because most famous people just don't have the option to add them to your friends, and you can only follow them as a page. Or that's the other thing, if you're trying to add someone in your friends but they're actually not a person but a page ran by a person, then in both cases you get the following the following follow button. So you can only follow them, but you cannot add them to your friends. And that's one of the options, when somebody turned on the option for only following. The other option isn't so bright as this one. Why? Because, well, if you cannot add someone, or even if you cannot find them at all, you might be blocked by them. And if you're blocking people, you can read what that actually does. Once you block someone, that person can no longer see the things you've posted on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. So yeah, that might be one of the options. And finally, if you scroll a bit up and go to audience and visibility and see the second option, how people can find and contact you, and if you open that up and you see the first option, who can send you friend requests, you need to open that up and click everyone, because if you set it to friends of friends, that won't be able to make you legitimate for adding friends. Why? Because you must have friends with them as well, pretty much. So if you have friends of friends enabled, you cannot send friend requests if you don't already have friends with them, and that's pretty much it. So just be sure to check everyone instead of friends of friends. And that might be all the reasons that you cannot add friends on Facebook or even see the button or just add a specific person. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.